If you worry a lot about what might be or what might have been, you would miss what is happening around you. Dwelling on the past is a trap that many of us fall into, consumed by what might have been or what could possibly go wrong. See, for many people, staying present is a daily battle. It can be incredibly difficult to enjoy the time you have with loved ones, close friends, and people you care about. Worrying about the future severely hinders our ability to live fully in the present. All we truly have is this present moment, right now. Living in the moment is focusing your attention and time on what is happening right now, wherever you are. The future is completely intangible and can be only shaped by the things you do every day and the decisions you make in the present. Essentially, the only thing you have any influence over is today. So logically, the present is the only thing you have control over. Dwelling on yesterday's mistakes and tomorrow's uncertain decisions means you're missing out on today. Everyone agrees it's important to live in the moment. But the problem is how. When people are not in the moment, they're not there to know that they're not there. Overriding the ruminating habit and awakening to the present takes intentionality and practice. Taking one day at a time means not asking too much of yourself or neglecting your own needs. It means recognizing the difference between what ifs and what is. It means choosing to focus more on the happy moments than on the painful or stressful ones. You actively choose how to make sense of your experiences. It means checking frequently that your thoughts are not dwelling on the past or racing ahead to the future. And if you find that they are, stop and gently bring your attention back to the present. Focusing on where you are, what you are doing, and what is happening in the here and now. Take time every day to relish in whatever you're doing at that present moment. Living in the moment is the quickest way to overcome stress, and it could change your life for the better. On another note, if you have interstate feet or curbside skin, get yourself some Mother Butter. It's gooder than a Mother Butter.